Hey, what's going on? So I just had a little issue with the Gladiator here. Showing up, yeah, right here. It was messing right up. I do not know why, but the FuriCar app shit the bed. It somehow got itself into drift race car mode, and it was making it click, 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 click. I couldn't figure it out. I was actually starting to disassemble the drivetrain to find out exactly where it was clicking. I used this little screwdriver as like a stethoscope. Kind of just put it on the piece that I think was making noise, and then jam your ear in there, and it actually works really good. You can hear exactly where it was coming from. And it was coming from the motor, so it wasn't either end. So I was like, what the heck? Started doing firmware updates. Wasn't doing anything. It just got stuck in boot mode. The device was stuck in boot mode. You can see I literally started taking it apart. Like, I was disconnecting the Bluetooth, and there was nothing going on. It's like, what in the hell is going on? So what I had to do is actually delete the app from the phone and reconnect, re-download it. And once I did that, everything started to work great. Like, it is nice and smooth. Where's the controller? Oh, so nice and smooth now. No more weird clicky noise. It's freaking fantastic. So yeah, if you're trying to crawl and somehow your device gets stuck on drift race car, it's not going to go well. So if you are having troubles with the FuriCar app, it's not downloading properly, just try deleting it and reinstalling, and that seemed to clear everything right up. Like, I don't think there's going to be a problem with the actual hardware here, but the software always fucks up. So that's just a little something if you're wondering what in the hell is going on. So there you go. Peace.